Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to lock individual notes in the Notes app. So first, you need to go ahead and access the Notes application on your iPad. Go ahead and select it. You can also do this on your iPhone or any other iOS devices. Once you're here, you need to go ahead and select the specific note that you want to lock. Then tap and hold onto it. Once you do that, a small menu will appear beside the note. And here you'll get the option of lock note, that is between pin and duplicate. Go ahead and select it. Now you'll get two different options. Either you can use your iPad passcode to lock this specific note, or you can create a password as well. In order to create a new password, click on this option right here, click on continue, and then you need to enter a password for this note. Then verify, give a hint, and click on the tick icon in the top right corner of this menu, and you'll be done. Now, this will require your specific password to open this specific note on your Notes application, providing a double layer of protection for all of your notes. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.